Tututs is our eldest grand. I've been with them for a long time. Parang sila na nga yung mga anak ko. Kahit little enjoyment meron kami. I always make sure na kompleto sila. Tuwing merong occasion, I always call them up. Gather around, sama-sama kami. Since his mom is not here, si Lisa, so kailangan keep in touch lahat ng cousins, lahat ng apo. I want them all to be all together, close sa lahat. Kailangan sama-sama sila. They will all grow old na magkakadikit sila. Lahat ng occasions magkakasama. And I think Tututs, he is always there na, Tita Gina. Parati siya may ganun, Tita Gina. Yeah. And sa mga niya sa dakila, magkasama din kami. Meron din kami time na magkakasama kami sa NGO group. And I was so proud na yung mga nagawa ni Tututs. Kaya nasasabi ko rin, pamangkin ko yan. My eldest pamangkin. Ganun. And I thank them for that. And I thank for the life of Tututs na though short, he had accomplished a lot, not only for his family, for his children, for his mom, his sister, his brothers, but sa iba-ibang NGO groups. He was so blessed with so many friends. Minsan meron kagaya kahapon, may pumunta dito na hindi sila magkakilala, basta nagkita lang sila. And then, kausap sila. Kinausap niya, in-entertain niya yung lalaki. Natuwa naman yung lalaki sa kanya, sa kanya. So he came here. First time lang sila nag-meet. I think that was just kailan lang. So, yun. And that's Tututs na no matter anong man yung you are in the low or high end ng buhay mo, he will talk to you, he will bless you. He will kausapin ka niya anuman yung sitwasyon ng buhay mo. And he will give you all the laughs. Tuturuan ka rin niya. Ayun, that's how I remember Tututs. Lalo na pag tayo magbabiyahe kami, ganyan. He is always there. Parati yan, sa mga gamit niya. Ayun. At saka, naging siya, good kuya siya to all his cousins. Good kuya siya to all his cousins. Patawa. Lagi siya nagpapatawa. He has lots of jokes. Ayun, pati sa mga apo. Sa mga pamangkin pala niya, hindi sa apo. Ayun. And he is a good father. I saw it. Minsan meron pa yan, dinala namin sa hospital na he cannot walk. Hindi ko rin mo siya kayang buhatin eh. So, thankful ako. Yung daddy niya, yung father-in-law niya, nag-angkas sa kanya. So, malakas yung father-in-law niya na thankful ako doon. And yun, yun yung ni Tututs sa gout, pero nung uminom siya ng barley, pinagmalaki niya sa amin talaga yun. Yung he drank barley na, okay naman, naging okay siya. Hindi siya nagkaroon ng gout, wala na. Yun lang, pinagmamalaki niya sa mga pinsan niya. And that's it. Thank you for your life, Tututs. You will be remembered.
Errol, ang totoong asawa po talaga ni Tututs ay si Errol.